Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to set up the notifications in your Schoology courses so that you can receive updates and notifications about activity in your courses to either your email and or your cell phone. In order to do that, you can come over here and click on your username, click on Settings, come up here to the Notifications tab, and then you can scroll down through all of the notifications listed here, and you can turn on the notifications to be sent to your email, or you can click on this box over here and insert a cell phone number to which you would like your updates and notifications to be sent as well. This will ensure that you don't miss any communications from your instructors or from your Schoology courses. You can peruse the options over on the left-hand side. Two that I would certainly suggest that you turn on would be the course update notification. This would be pushed to your cell phone or to your email if an instructor made an announcement for your class, and a lot of instructors use this to make important announcements or adjustments to the plan. So this is a really nice one to go ahead and turn on. The other one I would suggest you turn on is the comments on my posts. This will allow you to receive notifications to make you aware that either your instructor or your classmates have commented on any of your posts in the discussion boards. That way you know, or you're made aware, that you can go back into that discussion board and take a look at the comments that your peers have left for you or that your instructor has left for you. So you can take a few minutes and scroll down here and set up or customize your notifications to your liking so that you don't miss anything that's happening in your Schoology courses. I hope this is helpful.